Want to grow your money? Imagine having a steady stream of income without having to work extra hours. You should learn about dividends. Dividends are payments made by a corporation to its shareholders, usually as a distribution of profits. They are a simple way to earn money. When you own shares in a company, you receive a portion of the company's earnings. Companies share their profits with you. This means you benefit from the company's success without having to do any extra work. It's like getting a bonus just for owning their stock. Dividend investing is easy. You don't need to be a financial expert to get started. You buy shares in companies that pay dividends. Look for companies with a history of paying consistent and growing dividends. Then you sit back and watch your money grow. Over time, your dividends can be reinvested to buy more shares, compounding your returns. It's a great way to create passive income. This means you can earn money while you sleep, travel, or spend time with family. Dividends are a powerful tool for beginners. They provide a steady income and can help you learn about the stock market. You don't need a lot of money to start. Even small investments can grow significantly over time. You can begin with a small investment. As you become more comfortable, you can gradually increase your investment. As you learn, you can add more money. This way, you can take advantage of more opportunities and grow your wealth faster. Remember, building wealth takes time. Patience is key when it comes to investing. Be patient and let your dividends compound. Reinvesting your dividends can lead to exponential growth. Over time, you'll see amazing results. With consistency and patience, dividend investing can help you achieve financial freedom. Many people think dividend investing is difficult. They're wrong. It's easy to get started. You don't need to be an expert. Some people believe you need a lot of money to invest in dividends. That's not true. You can start small and grow your portfolio gradually. Another myth is that dividends are only for retirees. Wrong again. Young investors can benefit too. Dividends can help you reach your financial goals faster. Don't let these myths hold you back. Dividend investing is a smart choice for everyone. There are two main types of dividends: cash dividends and stock dividends. Understanding the difference between these two is crucial for any investor looking to build a solid portfolio. Cash dividends are paid in cash. This means that shareholders receive a direct payment, which can be used immediately for any purpose, such as reinvesting in other stocks or covering personal expenses. Stock dividends, on the other hand, are paid in additional shares of stock. This increases the number of shares you own, potentially leading to greater returns in the long run as the company grows. When choosing dividend stocks, look for companies with a history of paying dividends consistently. This indicates a stable and reliable company, which is crucial for long-term investment success. You want companies that are financially sound. This means they have strong balance sheets, good cash flow, and a sustainable business model that can weather economic downturns. Reinvesting your dividends is a powerful strategy. By using the dividends you receive to purchase more shares, you can take advantage of compound growth, which can significantly boost your investment returns over time. This means using your dividends to buy more shares. It's a way to grow your investment without having to add more of your own money. It helps your money grow faster over time. Remember, diversification is important. Spreading your investments across different sectors and companies can reduce risk and increase potential returns. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your portfolio ensures that you are not overly reliant on the performance of a single investment. Invest in a variety of dividend-paying stocks. This approach can provide a steady income stream and help you achieve your financial goals more effectively. Meet Sarah, a young professional who started investing in dividends with just a small amount of money. She was initially hesitant, unsure if her limited funds could make a difference. But she decided to take the plunge, driven by the desire to secure her financial future. She was amazed at how quickly her portfolio grew. Every month she saw her investments inching higher, giving her a sense of accomplishment and motivation to continue. Sarah reinvested her dividends consistently. This strategy allowed her to buy more shares without adding extra money from her pocket, leveraging the power of compounding. She watched her investments compound over time. The magic of compounding meant that her returns were generating their own returns, creating a snowball effect. She's now on track to achieve her financial goals. Her initial doubts have turned into confidence as she sees her financial dreams becoming a reality. Sarah's story is an inspiration. It shows that with patience and the right strategy, anyone can achieve financial success, regardless of their starting point. It shows that dividend investing is a powerful tool for anyone. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, the potential for growth is immense. Dividend investing is a smart and easy way to grow your wealth. By reinvesting dividends, you can accelerate your financial growth and reach your goals faster. Start today and watch your money flourish. The sooner you begin, the more time your investments have to grow and compound. What are your thoughts on dividend investing? Share your comments below. We'd love to hear your stories and experiences.